1 Minute Portuguese Lesson 4.
It's time for 1 Minute Portuguese. I'm Susana.
And I'm Mark. In this course, we're going to be teaching you just enough Portuguese to get by on a holiday or a business trip to Portugal, or just to impress your Portuguese-speaking friends and colleagues. You've already learned some greetings and some useful words and phrases. Last lesson, you learned how to say you speak a little Portuguese. We're going to add to this today.
Now, I think I hear the clock ticking, so let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. You already know how to say, I speak a little Portuguese. Can you remember this phrase? It's
Falo pouco português.
excellent. Now today we're going to add a couple of other useful phrases for dealing with the language. In Portuguese, I don't understand is...
Não percebo.
Now you'll recognise the word now as the word for no. So, não percebo is something like saying, no, I understand. So, I don't understand is...
Não percebo.
One more time.
Não percebo.
Imagine someone said something to you in Portuguese and you had no idea of what they'd said. What would you say? That's right, you'd say...
Não percebo.
You can go one step further and say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Let's learn one way to say, I'm sorry. It's...
Desculpe.
And again more slowly.
Desculpe.
One more time.
Desculpe.
Now let's add that to I don't understand.
Desculpe. Não percebo.
Let's try it again.
Desculpe. Não percebo.
Just try it one more time.
Desculpe. Não percebo.
Excellent, well done.
Time's up.
Even if you're trying to make that good impression with your Portuguese-speaking friends or colleagues, don't worry about not understanding what they say. They'll be very impressed and appreciative if you can say that you don't understand in their language. In the meantime, thanks again.
Obrigada e adeus.
Obrigado e adeus. This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.